right, so for this one, you're going to use two different chord shapes. The first one is where you're going to line up like this. So middle finger will be on 7th fret of the low E. Ring finger will be 7th fret of the G, or the 3rd string. And use the bottom side of your middle finger to mute out the A string. So the only strings you want ringing out on this are the low E, the D, and the G. Okay, so just 3 strings. So it looks like you're strumming a lot, and you're strumming, but you're focusing on just those 3 strings ringing on all these chords. All right. So now the strum pattern, we're going to use just our fingers. So just use your thumb for up strums. All right, and then your index finger for down strums. All right. So you're going to go up, up, down, all right? So you're going to take that same shape, up, up, down, then you're going to slide up to 9th fret, up, up, down, all right? Up, up, down, up, up, down. Now that shape's different. We're still holding the low E string and the G. And again, we're leave the B and high E out of all this as well. So we're really just focusing on those 3 strings. So on this chord, index finger's on 10th fret of the low E, and ring finger is on 11th fret of the G. So we put that together. We got, okay, one more time. So up, up, down, up, down, right? Then you're going to take that shape you're holding right now, you're going to move it all the way down to 5th fret. So index finger is now set on 5th fret of the low E string, ring finger 6th fret of the G. Same thing, up, up, down. Then we're going to slide that shape down 2 frets to the G, up, up, down. Okay, now here we have a little bit of a strum pattern. So something simple like up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So one more time, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So let's try just that strum pattern on this G chord down here on the 3rd fret. We've got up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. One more time, up, up, down, 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 up. Keep it simple. Up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And later on, if you feel like you want to, embellish on that, you can add a different pattern there or something. But we'll just keep it at that for now. Up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. All right. So let's try it from the top. So remember, we're going to go 7th fret, 9th fret, 10th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me try it a little slower there too. And what's interesting about this song is you actually catch that first up strum like right before the downbeat of the 1. So when you're counting it, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like just before the 1, you're catching that up strum. So let's try it really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. right, so that was the first section of the song, the verse, and now let's take a look at the next section. So we've got so for this, we have just a slightly altered strum pattern. So take your middle finger, set 7th fret of the low E, ring finger, 7th fret of the G. So the same first chord of the song we were playing before. So for this, we're going to do down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. A little slower. Down, 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 up, down, up. Then the next chord, 5th fret and 6th fret. Down, 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 up, down, up. 3rd fret, down, 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 up, down, up. And then I'm going to hit a little A bar chord here. So you just set your index down on the 2nd fret of the D and the G. So you're just strumming the A string, the D string, and the G. So all that together. Go back to 7th fret. So what's tricky about that is we're starting with the down strum. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So one more time. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Slower if I can. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. A little faster. Alright, so those are the two sections to this song. If you're having trouble with the strum pattern, I would just rewind those parts a few times. And when you get comfortable enough with it here on this video, go play along with his video and see if you can pick up more of the nuances in how he's strumming it. Great song. If you're interested, I have a strumming course available on my website. I'll put a link in the description. Alright, I'll see you on the next video.